Vijayendra Yediyurappa officially took charge of the BJP state presidency in Karnataka today at the BJP headquarters in Bengaluru. The event was marked with much fanfare, with drums being played and dances performed on the streets. Former Chief Minister B.S Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, D.V Sadananda Gowda and senior party leaders were present when Vijayendra took charge of the office. Vijayendra stated that the goal is to win all 28 seats during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections and strengthen the prime ministership of Narendra Modi.
And given me the golden opportunity of serving me as the party president in the state of Karnataka. I assure our national leadership, with the blessings of all our senior leaders from our state, more than a party president, I'll work as a karyakarta. I'll work as a karyakarta to ensure that we should win next Lok Sabha election. We should win 28 Lok Sabha MPs. And also, we have to ensure, with the support of all our senior leaders and our karyakartas, I will ensure the whole glory of Bharatiya Janata Party here in Karnataka. We have to retain this whole glory. So I promise our national leadership that I will not let down any of our karyakarta or any of our senior leaders. I will work day and night to strengthen our party and also to strengthen our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I once again thank all our national leaders and all our senior leaders from the state of Karnataka for giving me this opportunity to serve as a party president and also to serve our karyakarta.
The 47-year-old Vijayendra, son of BS Yediyurappa, was appointed to the post on November 10. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.